We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. The question is the L silent in this word? The short answer, even though it's not necessarily a 100% a UK-US divide, but indeed in British English it is more often than not pronounced with the L as polka, polka. In American English, however, it is more generally said as polka, polka, without a clear L sound or a very soft L sound, polka. In American English versus a clearer L sound in British English as polka, polka. You really have to have your tongue go up to your palate. Polka in British English, while in American not so much, polka. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.